Want to speak English fluently, just like a native speaker? You've learned all the grammar, memorized tons of vocabulary, but when you open your mouth, the words just don't flow. You sound a bit stiff, a bit robotic, and your accent feels off. If this sounds like you, I have a secret weapon that's going to completely transform your speaking skills. It's called shadowing, and trust me, it's a game changer. So, what exactly is shadowing? Imagine you're walking behind someone and you're trying to match their every step. Shadowing in language learning is the same idea, but with sound. You listen to a native speaker and you try to imitate their speech in real time, just a split second behind them. You copy their pronunciation, their rhythm, their intonation, everything. It's like having a personal accent coach with you 24/7. This isn't just about repeating words. It's about mimicking the music of the language. Why is this method so powerful? First, it rewires your brain. By actively imitating, you're building new neural pathways that connect sounds to mouth movements. This makes producing English sounds automatic, so you don't have to think so hard about how to say each word. Second, it's incredible for your pronunciation and accent. You'll start noticing the subtle sounds you were missing before, like how Americans link words together or the melody of a British question. Your mouth muscles get a real workout, learning to move in new ways. And finally, it skyrockets your confidence. The more you sound like a native speaker, the more confident you'll feel using English in real conversations. Alright, ready to give it a try? Here's a simple step-by-step guide to get you started. Step 1. Find your material. This could be anything: a podcast, an audiobook, a scene from your favorite TV show, or even a YouTube video like this one. The key is to choose something with clear audio and a speaker whose accent you admire. Start with something short, maybe just 1 to 2 minutes. Step 2. Listen first. Play the audio once or twice just to get a feel for the content, the speed, and the rhythm. Don't worry about understanding every single word. Just listen to the flow. Step 3. Shadow with a transcript. Now, play the audio again, but this time, read along with a transcript. As you listen, try to speak the words at the same time as the speaker. It might feel awkward at first, and you'll probably stumble. That's totally normal. Don't stop. Just try to keep up as best you can. The goal here is to match the rhythm and timing. Step 4. Shadow without the transcript. This is the real challenge. Put the text away. Now, you're relying purely on your ears. Play the audio and repeat what you hear, just a fraction of a second behind the speaker. It's like you're their echo. Focus on imitating the sounds, the ups and downs of their voice, and the emotion. Don't worry about perfection. Focus on flow. Record yourself doing this, so you can listen back and hear your progress. A few pro tips to make your shadowing practice even more effective. First, be consistent. Just 10 to 15 minutes of shadowing every day is far more effective than a long session once a week. Make it a part of your daily routine, like brushing your teeth. Second, exaggerate. When you're practicing, really overdo the mouth movements and the intonation. It might feel silly, but it helps train your muscles and makes your natural speech sound much better. And finally, have fun with it. Choose content that you genuinely enjoy. If you love comedy, shadow a stand-up comedian. If you're into science, shadow a documentary narrator. When you're having fun, you're more likely to stick with it. Shadowing is the bridge between knowing English and speaking English. It's the active, physical practice that turns passive knowledge into an active skill. So, go find a piece of audio, put on your headphones, and start echoing. You'll be amazed at how quickly your fluency and confidence begin to soar. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on how to master English. Now go on and start your shadowing journey. I'll see you in the next video.